This is a quick video on how to access the Lawmint CLAT mock test and previous paper series. Go to lawmint.com, click on the login link on the main menu and click on the link to the relevant LMS. The fastest way to create an account and log into the portal is to use the Gmail ID option. When you log in with your Gmail ID, you'll see that all the essential details are pre-filled. You just have to select your state and fill in your city, town or village. Once you update your profile and log into the system, you'll be taken to the dashboard page. You'll see that the system has been designed to be as easy to use as possible so that you can focus on the actual practice and not trying to figure out how the system works. You'll see options from where you can buy access to the full package, or you can try the free mock tests as well. And all the courses that you are currently enrolled into will be listed under My Enrolled Courses. I strongly recommend that you should try the free mock test before you decide to go ahead and purchase access to the full series. When you start the free mock test, the passage will be displayed on the main screen, and this will be followed by the question and the answer options. And on the right side, you will see the navigation panel. The navigation panel will help you navigate through the entire mock test. So answer the questions and click on the next page button to move on to the next question. If the navigation panel is hidden, you can click on this button to show it again. And the navigation panel will help you keep track of where you are in the mock test. And when you reach the last question, you'll see a button which will allow you to finish the attempt, or you can also end the attempt at any point by clicking on the finish attempt link on the navigation panel. When you click on that link, you'll see a summary of your attempt, which will tell you how many questions you have answered and the questions that you have not answered. So you can click on the question number, or you can click on the question number in the navigation panel to go to that particular question and answer it. And when you are ready to end the attempt, just click on the finish attempt button and scroll down to the bottom of the summary page, and you'll see an option to submit all and finish. So once you submit all and finish, you'll see your results on the main screen, and the navigation panel will also highlight the questions that you have correctly answered in green. The questions that have been wrongly answered will be highlighted in red, and the unanswered questions will be highlighted in gray. And when you scroll down to the bottom of every question, you'll see the correct answer and the explanation to the correct answer as well. So once you are done with the free mock test, then you can click on the buy full access button to purchase access to the full pack. So when you click on this button, you'll be taken to the payment gateway page, and once you finish the payment, your access will be activated immediately. Once you have completed the purchase, clicking on the buy full access button will directly take you to the active course page, or you will also see all the active courses listed under My Enrolled Courses on the dashboard page. When you log into the course, you'll see that there are different sections that you can navigate through, and the left side menu will also help you navigate through the complete course. All the comprehension mini mock tests are listed under one section. The full length comprehension mocks are in a different section. There are the old pattern CLAT PG previous question papers and the new pattern CLAT PG previous question papers also that are set up as mock tests for you to practice. You will also find plenty of old pattern mock tests which are helpful if you are preparing for LLM entrance exams apart from CLAT PG, and there is also some refresher and reference material that is included in the online course. And all the mock tests here can be practiced unlimited number of times, and you can see a history of your previous attempt so that you can always go back to any of your previous attempt and see where you have made a mistake. If you have any questions, you can use the contact link that is available on the main menu, or you can reach out to us at hello@lawmint.com.